Good day, everyone. Welcome to Cultural Voices Live, a student-led webinar that celebrates the lives and legacies of the Gawad sa Manlilikhan ng Bayan, or Gamaba Awareness, our living treasures who continue to shape our nation's identity through art, craft, and traditions.
We are grade 11 students, and today we'll explore how these national art groups preserve our cultural soul through their remarkable works, from weaving to chanting, from pottery to storytelling.
Join us as we uncover the inspiring stories of three exceptional Gamaba awardees.
Along the line, the master Tinalak River from South Cotabato, Alonzo Saclav, the Kalinga musician and dancer who revived his people's rituals, and Ginaw Bilog, the Hinuno Mangyan poet to preserve the Ambahan poetry tradition.
Langdallar was a Tivoli dreamweaver from Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Since childhood, she dreamed of weaving patterns shown to her in her sleep known as Chinala. This cloth is sacred to the Tiboli people and represents their connection to nature and their ancestors. Through her weaving, Langdalai expressed Filipino creativity, discipline, and respect for heritage. She taught younger women to continue the tradition, ensuring the art of skin would not fade away with modernization.
That's amazing. So every design in her weaving actually came from her dreams.
Exactly. That's why the tinalak is called the cloth of dreams. Langmalay believed her role as a weaver was both a gift and a duty to keep the Tiboli identity alive.
From the highlights of Kalinga comes Alonso Saclad, a cultural master known for his deep knowledge of traditional dance, music, and ritual. When he noticed his community losing interest in old traditions, he decided to bring them back to life. He built the Kalinga Bodong Center, a place where young people could learn the gangsa, chants, and dances of their ancestors.
So basically became a bridge between the old and the new generation.
Yes, he used performance and education to unite his people. His work teaches us that cultural preservation is a form of leadership.
That's so inspiring. He reminds us that modern Filipino should protect our culture the same way we protect our environment.
Our third awardee, Dino Bilog, was a Hanunoo Mangyan poet from Mindoro. He was known for preserving ambahan, a rhythmic poetic form inscribed on bamboo using the Asian script Surat Mangyan. Each ambahan expresses wisdom, emotion, or reflection, a literary treasure passed through oral tradition.
So ambahan is like poetry that speaks about everyday life and emotion.
Exactly. It captures the heart and mind of the Filipino. Ginalbilog efforts to record these poems save a whole literary tradition from disappearing.
He proves that even in silence, our ancestors' voices still echo through art and words.
After hearing these stories, we wait lang. After hearing these stories, we realize that Gamaba awardees are more than artists, but they are guardians of memory.
Their, leg- their legacies teach us that creativity is not just for play, but for cultural survival. In every wooden pattern, song, or poem, we see the Filipino spirit, resilient, expressive, and proud.
It also reminds us that we have a role in continuing their work by participating and promoting local art and culture, especially online.
To all our viewers, thank you for all joining Cultural Voices Live. May these stories inspire you to protect and celebrate our identity as a Filipinos.
We invite you to visit our digital e-brochure and website portfolio, where you can explore more about these awardees and reflect on how tradition and technology can work hand in hand.
Let's keep the cultural voices of the Philippines alive. One story, one art, one voice at a time. Okay, very good guys.